going to tell you about the Insert tab. Insert, there are various options like table, picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart, all these options we can see. Now first let me show you how to do table. How to insert a table. Usually tables we can create in Access and as well as in Excel, but here in Word also we can select a table and draw a table according to our choice. So let's first click on Insert, then Table, then Insert Table. Now when I do Insert Table, I can select the number of columns. Now it is by default showing 4. Let me choose number of columns 4, number of rows 4. So this is the up arrow, this is the down arrow. Now other things remaining same, whatever default is showing, let it keep it same. And now default OK. After we click OK, now you see the table has appeared above my text which I had written earlier. This is because my cursor was before that. So if I want, I can bring this table down after my content. So I can do it accordingly. I will drag and bring it down. Automatically it will have the text written above and the table will be dragged below. Now if I want to write something, I can write here. Like if I want to write name, I press a tab, role, address, phone number. Now you see, previously we had selected the underline and bold option. That is why these are also being written same way, bold and underlined. So I do not want it to be underlined. I can keep it bold. I just remove the underline option. I click on U, the underline option goes off. Now these are all center aligned. I can change it to left, or I can change it to right depending upon how I want it to be represented. So but for the title or for the heading of a table, we usually keep it center. So now let me fill some data. Suppose roll number 101, address. Writing arbitrarily some words. So like this I can keep on entering few text. Now again you see this by default these are all getting, so together I select the entire text, click on the U option and get it ununderlined. Now I want to change the font style. I don't want to keep it bold. I just remove the bold option too. So this is how my table will look like. Now suppose this is of insert table. Now suppose if I want to insert any shapes, I will go to the required shape and choose a particular shape from here. If I want to draw something into my document, I can select any shapes from here, basic shapes, type of arrows. If I want to draw some flowchart for any business purpose related matter, then I can select from these and place it here. How do I place a shape? Like suppose I want to put a decision box. I just select and place it here. So automatically it gets placed. Now if I want to type something inside this, I will just here if I click outside, the selection goes. But if I want to write something or I want to increase the shape, I can just drag it from these highlighted dots and increase the width and height of the of the box. Now this is not going, something went wrong of the cursor, so now it's off. Can you see this green cursor here? This is the sign for rotation. If I want to rotate the figure, once the shape is highlighted, a green small circle appears. From here, if I want to rotate it, I can rotate the object like this. So as per your choice, you can drag and rotate the object according to the need. So this is how I fill up or I place a shape inside my document. It is appearing for all other documents, you can do so. Now if I want to format this picture object, you can first select the object and choose any color. Suppose if I want to fill with this color, so this color gets filled automatically because I have selected here. Again, if I want to do some changes, again click on the object, then I can see all the related options are given for picture formatting. Like these are shape styles, shape filling up with some type of colors, shape fill, other colors are also there, shape outline, if you want to shape the outline, that also you can do so from, you can just click on, there are various, what type of outline you want, what is the width of the outline, weight means what type of width of the outline you want. Like suppose if I want 1 point, so I will select, this will appear as a little broader. It is not visible here right now, but in bigger objects or where the colors are not there, you can see this changes. Now again in the insert, if you want to paste any picture from your machine or device, that also you can select and paste it here. Suppose if I want to paste a picture, I go to picture, now it will take me to a sample picture default given in the system. Suppose I want this chrysanthemum, so I will go and do insert, so automatically this gets inserted into my document. Now entire document remaining page gets filled up with this picture, and I don't want it to be like that, so I drag and reduce the size of the picture. So upon your need, you can just fix or reduce or resize the shape of the picture according to the needs or the specification of the space or the space remaining, whichever way you want, you can fit it accordingly. This is how you insert a picture. Now let me make it more organized because this is coming. Let me something you want to do, undo it, you just go and do it, undo. Last 10 times you can do undo with any operation which you have carried out. Now see, if I want, my cursor was here, that is why the picture had got embedded there. So if I want it to be placed here, now I can paste the picture here at the side of this object. So let me once again do it, chrysanthemum picture from the pictures library, and then I paste it here. Now I can reduce it also. Select the picture, from the corner you drag and reduce the size once again. So now my picture got reduced and it has been fitted here. Now this side little bit I shift it upwards. So there is my picture embedded inside my document. Now this links we are not doing it right now. At the later part of this chapter, if we have time, I will tell you what is hyperlink, bookmark and cross-reference. But as of now, it is not given in your syllabus. We are not covering this part right now. But after we finish all the normal operations what we have and whichever are mentioned in your syllabus, if there is adequate time left, I will definitely go through the left out portions. As well as you can explore also different things present here in the software. Like as I told you earlier also, in case of 2007, 2010, 2008, there might be slight changes here and there, but you need to explore them and work it out by yourself. because every operation is not feasible or possible to carry out and show it on this video screen like this. So whichever is basic things and few advanced features that I am definitely going to discuss here. Now, very important part, header and footer, page number. Now this header means what we are placing it into the document header. Header is something which is placed before the margin starts. Now suppose I click on header. There will be a particular area marked as header. How you want it? Now I want it to place it like this. Type the document title. Now here, so this is my margin from where my document starts. So before the blue line, this is the place where I can type because I have selected this type of header. So I will type the document here. So let me write something like this. MS Word features. So this is my header. Now here header will always appear in all the pages of your document. Right now I am having 2 pages in my document. Header will appear in both the pages. Now if I have 25 pages in my document, this header will appear in all the 25 pages. Now let us click on close header and footer. So once I click on this, you cannot see this here. This is actually which is visible, it is not part of your document. It is a specialized area before the margin starts. Similarly, footer is also something like that. Now suppose if I want to give page numbers or if I want to add footers to it. Now suppose footer. Now where I want to put it. Now suppose here I write my initial. I will write here my initial like this. So everywhere it is going to appear like this as a footer. Now let us see if page number also works like this. I'm just exploring the page number and the footer together. Let me see how it is going to work. Now close header and footer. Let's go to the second page. See, the header is also appearing here because each and every document will have this. Now you have seen in books, like every chapter has a chapter name but different page numbers. So that is also part of header, where I have placed the header either in the left hand side or in the center. That is up to you how you want it. So MS Word features is the header which I have placed in my document. So in the second page also it appears. Let's see in the, yes. Now because I have added a number to the footer, this is not a page number, this is just a footer. So in the second page also it is putting as 1. It is treated as not only page number, it is not accepting it as a page number, rather it is only accepting as a name to a footer. So as a footer it will appear my initial in this style and this number. So if you want a proper page number to appear, then you again have to click on insert page number. Now where do I want to put the page number? I want to put it in the bottom of the page. Now where I want like this page plain number. So here I will give the number. So this should be 2. Oh no, this was the first page, right? So this is 1 and now I close it. So header and page number is not coming together. Let us see go to page preview and find it out. Print preview. It shows how it is going to appear. This page number 2 I have put 1, so it is showing me 1. So let's go and do something in page number 2. This should have have been 2. So page number is appearing same way in all the things. There's something went wrong, so we have to either shift the footer and the page number. It is taking the same line of the footer, so it is appearing as footer and not as a proper page number. So this one, you please explore this and find it out how to place footer and page number together.